This is Realme Narzo 30 smartphone. This device has been launched on Flipkart at a price point of 12,449 rupees. This device has 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. This is made in India product. Let me cut the seal. Let's peel off the plastics and see what else is there in the box of Realme Narzo 30 smartphone. There is a paper box into which there is back cover, silicone TPU, it is gray color, and some documentations. Let me put it aside. This is the smartphone itself. Keep the smartphone aside. Let's see what else is there. There is charging cable, USB to type C cable, as you can see. This is 30-watt super dart charger. It can charge the device from 0 to 100% in just 65 minutes, as the company claims. Now let me peel off the plastics of Narzo 30 smartphone. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 processors. It has 5000 mAh battery and the display has 6.5-inch Full HD IPS display. As you can see, the back is very glossy. There is 3 cameras, 48 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. On the left there is volume rocker and SIM tray. Towards the right there is power button and fingerprint sensor. On the top there is nothing. At the bottom you can find speaker grill, Type-C port, microphone hole and 3.5mm headphone jack. Towards the left corner of the display you can find Sony IMX471 selfie shooter for good looking selfies. Now let me power on the device. As you can see, Realme powered by Android. The Android version of Realme Narzo 30 is 11 and it runs on Realme UI 2.0. The smartphone weighs around 192 grams and it has thickness of 9.4 mm. The display is 90 Hz smooth refresh rate. As you can see, it is a Full HD panel. The color looks punchy, though it is not as punchier as an AMOLED. There are a lot of pre-installed bloatware, but you can uninstall this bloatware very easily. About phone, you can see this is powered by Android 11 and Realme UI 2.0. It has security patch of April 2021. Now coming to the cameras, Narzo 30 has 48 megapixel primary sensor. The quality of the camera is above average, as you can see in this picture which I am clicking. There is lot of details in this picture. As you can see, color looks punchier. Now coming to the front facing camera, it has Sony IMX471 sensor. This is also very good sensor considering the price point. These are some sample shots. This is a selfie shot. This is taken from 48 megapixel camera. You can see the dynamic range is not very bad. The bokeh effect is also very good. Here in this picture you can see a natural bokeh effect has been created by the camera. Now coming to the sound quality, let me give you an idea how the sound is. Coming to the video quality, As it is an IPS display, the video quality is excellent, as you can see, though you cannot have deeper blacks as it is not an AMOLED display, but still you will have good color reproduction and good viewing angles. You will have no complaint whatsoever. Now let me give you an idea how the back cover fits into Narzo 30. The back cover is of very good quality and it feels sturdy and solid, and there is extra tips for type C port and 3.5 mm headphone jack. It will protect from dust. So this is Narzo 30's unboxing video. I hope you have enjoyed the video very much.